Okay, Dave, just a quick run through. I know you're not that keen on some things, but this is $10 a month and it's called Settapp. And look at all the things you can get, all these apps. Um, just unbelievable what they've got here. See, something you might like. Developer tools, writing and blogging, maintenance, task management. I've got this one actually on. I've got it on my so I've actually got this app. See, it knows what day it is. Happy Christmas, blah blah blah. I'll just move it over there. Today, I don't know. Hello, darling. New tasks. This is all and I'll create that. Boom, 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 boom. There it is there. Okay, well, just a little run through of the setup, and you get this app. This app costs $50, and there's another one called Clean My Mac. Let's see if I can show you that one. Let's see on this Mac. There it is there. No, wait a minute. Yeah, that's it. I've got that one already installed. See, and in the real world, that'll cost you $50. So you open that up, and there it is. And look, hit scan. It closes all the web browsers, and then scans your Mac and gets rid of any crap and shit and empties the garbage bins. So yeah, it's my recommendation. I just want to bring your attention to it. $10 a month, worth the money.